Hello and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this short video we're going to review the Hills Rotary 6 Folding Clothesline. The Rotary 6 Clothesline is the smallest in the Hills Rotary premium range. It is made from galvanised high tensile steel with a powder coated protection. The clothesline is available in forest, glade and ocean blue. Ocean blue is a blue colour as the name describes, and forest glade is a green, both making great choices for a backyard. The clothesline head diameter is 2.9 metres. We do recommend an installation area of 4 metres though. This will enable the clothesline to rotate freely in the yard when you have clothes on it. The clothesline has 6 lines giving a total hanging space of 36 metres, making it ideal for 2 to 4 people. The clothesline is mounted into the ground via a socket which is included in the supply. The socket is concreted into the ground and the clothesline is unable to be removed from the socket when not in use. The clothesline is made by Hills in China and is compatible with a clothesline cover. Some assembly is required and the clothesline comes with a 10-year warranty on the frame and a 1-year warranty on the cord. When you receive the clothesline in the box, you receive a lower section, an upper section, a socket assembly and an instruction manual. To assemble the clothesline, first of all you install the socket into the ground, but second of all you insert the upper section on top of the lower section and click it into place. You'll also notice that the clothesline is pre-wired. This saves you having to do this job. To lift the clothesline up and down, which makes it folding and retractable in the direction of B, you simply depress the button indicated by arrow A. This will enable you to lift the clothesline up or down when required. The clothesline has the head diameter of 2.9 metres, but it also sits 1.86 metres from the ground. This height can be adjusted by making it higher by simply adding one of the 3 spaces you received in the kit. These spaces are 50mm in thickness and can be added to the bottom of the socket. On the right hand side we can see the clothesline in its folded position. The clothesline cord is threaded through the clothesline arm and is held in place by UV resistant line tensioners. The clothesline is also fitted with a very sleek looking UV resistant plastic handle. The clothesline also has an optional cover. These covers are very popular and made from UV resistant polymaterial and they serve a number of purposes. These include protecting you and your clothes from the UV rays of the sun, stop your clothes from getting wet in the rain, protect against bird droppings, also any other foreign objects such as leaves or pollution. They also make a great shade area for kids in the backyard or if you're having a party. The Clothesline Store also offers a fully professional installation and removal service of your clothesline. More details of this service can be found at theclotheslinestore.com.au. This concludes the product review and I hope it has helped you. You can see this and many more clotheslines by visiting us at theclotheslinestore.com.au. So thank you for your time and bye for now.